Are you ready for this? What's your single most valuable financial asset? It's not your house, your car, or your retirement fund. It's your ability to earn a paycheck. But what if I told you there's about a 1 in 4 chance you'll lose that ability before you can even retire? So why is the insurance that protects it the one almost everybody forgets about? Seriously, think about it. Your income is the engine for your entire financial life. It covers the mortgage, puts food on the table, and funds everything else. You've got insurance for your car in case you crash it. You have insurance for your home in case of a fire. But what about insurance for the one thing that pays for it all? For most of us, it's a total blind spot. This gap in financial planning leaves millions of families just one illness or injury away from disaster. We insure our stuff, but we forget to insure the one asset that makes all the other stuff possible: our power to work and earn a living. If you think a disabling event is some rare, far-off thing, it's time for a reality check. The Social Security Administration says that just over 1 in 4 of today's 20-year-olds will become disabled before they hit retirement age. And if you're thinking this only happens from some kind of freak accident, think again. The vast majority of disabilities are caused by common illnesses. Things like cancer, heart disease, and back problems are some of the biggest reasons people file long-term disability claims. So, what about the safety nets? A lot of people figure they'll just rely on government benefits. But Social Security disability has a super strict definition of disability, and the approval process is tough. In 2022, only about 1 in 3 people who applied were approved on their first try. The system is really only there for people who can't do any kind of substantial work, and even then, benefits don't kick in for at least 5 months. Workers' comp is the other thing people bring up, but that only covers you if you get sick or hurt at work, which accounts for a tiny fraction of disabilities. So ask yourself this: if your paycheck vanished tomorrow, how long could you pay your bills? For most families living paycheck to paycheck, the answer is pretty terrifying. A disability is one of the top reasons people lose their homes to foreclosure and have to file for bankruptcy. The problem is real, and it's serious. Okay, so what's the solution? It's called disability insurance, but a much better name for it is income protection. It does exactly what it sounds like it does. It protects your income. If you get too sick or injured to do your job, the policy pays you a monthly benefit, basically, a replacement for your lost paycheck. There are 2 main kinds. Short-term disability covers you for a shorter time, usually a few months up to a year, and it often replaces more of your income. Long-term disability is for the really serious situations. It can pay you benefits for many years, sometimes right up until you retire. It's designed to save you from a catastrophic income loss that could derail your entire career. But hold on, not all policies are the same. The single most important thing to look for is the definition of disability. The best policies have what's called a true own occupation definition. This means the policy will pay you benefits if you can't do the main duties of your specific job, even if you could technically go get a different job. For instance, a surgeon who hurts her hand and can't operate anymore could get her full benefits, even if she decides to go teach medicine instead. Cheaper policies might have an any occupation definition, which only pays out if you're unable to do any job you're reasonably suited for. A few other key things to look for are the elimination period, which is just the waiting time before your benefits start, and riders, like a cost of living adjustment that helps your benefits keep up with inflation. Look, I get it. This can feel complicated, but protecting your most valuable asset is just too important to ignore. The best first step you can take is to educate yourself and talk to a qualified, independent financial professional. They can help you figure out your personal risk, see what coverage you might already have from your job, and find a policy that actually fits your needs and your budget. Don't leave your financial future up to chance. You can't predict if or when you'll face a disability, but you can prepare for it. Ensuring your income isn't just another bill to pay, it's the foundation of a solid financial plan. It's what makes sure that if the unexpected happens, you and your family can keep moving forward with security and dignity. Don't let the insurance everyone forgets about be the one you wish you had. Protect your paycheck. Protect your future. You are invited to subscribe to Camaraderie Health Agency YouTube channel or go to www.camaraderiehealthagency.com or call 224-433-5754.